VRoid Studio version 0.14 was just released. They've replaced some sample models with 3 new models. Next to the sample models you'll see a link to term and conditions regarding the use of sample models. They've added new animations for female and male. Female animations: stroll, elated, LMAO, super delicious, yay, stretch, gazing up 1, gazing up 2, look over shoulder, crouching 1, crouching 2, crouching 3, crouching 4, awkward smile, hold out hands, lie down 1. Male animations: finger gun, front tuck flip, we've got this, conduct music, target locked, acrobatic 1, acrobatic 2, lie down 2,